Hey, I'm Giselle, and you found me because you want to know how much does the average construction worker make, right? So, I'm actually in the Caribbean in a country called Trinidad and Tobago. So, I'll give you both perspectives from countries like mine, third world countries, and countries like the US and Canada, the first world countries, right? Now, the average salary of a construction worker is about 34,000 US dollars per year in the US and Canada. In my country, it could range between say 9 and 10,000 US dollars per year, right? Now you can start off as low as 30,000 US dollars per year in the US and Canada. And I'm trying to dodge the sun. You can, in my country, make as start off with about 8,000 US dollars per year, all right? And you can see that salary rise to as much as say 40 to 50,000 US dollars per year if you are in the Caribbean. But that is for jobs that like supervisors who are in the oil and gas industry, offshore industry, and that industry is a lot more risky, so workers in that environment are paid a lot more. Okay, so in the US your salary could get as much to as 51 to 59,000 US dollars per year. So working in the construction industry is not too bad. The salaries is not too bad once you of course move up the ranks, because the lowest level is like a trainee or helper or an apprentice, and then you get up to electrician, welder, pipe fitter, whichever discipline you like, and you move into supervisor of those skill sets or that discipline, right? So, but one thing about the construction industry is that the work is seasonal depending on the weather, as well as of course the availability of work, right? And also in my country, the majority of construction workers are not on the permanent staff. So when they stay home because they're sick, they typically won't be paid, right? Because they're not part of the permanent staff. So what I want to suggest is when you have a construction job, you have a second income, right? Now I'm an electrical engineer, and even I needed a second income to afford the things I really wanted to do, you know, to go after my desires. So which one of them is traveling all over the world. So you can consider a home-based business to fill that void whenever there is one. So, and you might find it could be simpler than you thought. So you could click the link below or the button below to find out more. And if you don't have any interest in something like this, that's fine. Good luck in your career, and see you on another video. Bye.